Leo? Leo! Where are you?
We're coming! We're coming!
Leo, what happened?
I don't know.
Let's take a look.
Did you hear that? Hear what? Leo, throw the ball. Okay. That was strange. Come on, let's keep playing. Let's go inside. Okay.
Did you have fun outside?
Yes, it was great.
Here you go, Leo.
Thank you, Mom. Leo, are you okay? I think so. It feels a little strange.
Leo, you seem quiet.
I'm okay. I just feel a little different.
Hey, buddy. Everything okay?
I think so. I feel a little strange.
Let's keep an eye on it.
Leo, are you feeling itchy?
A little. It's getting annoying. Mom, I don't feel normal.
This is funny.
I like this show.
I like this show. Me too. Leo,
Are you all right?
I don't know. I don't feel good.
Leo, you don't look happy.
I don't know why. I just don't feel right. Mom, can I brush my teeth now?
Of course.
Don't stay up too late.
Okay, Dad. Mom! Mom! Sarah, my leg hurts.
What happened, Leo?
It just turned red.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here. Leo, what happened?
Mom, it hurts.
We're here.
Look. My leg. Oh.
This doesn't look normal.
What is it?
Sarah, I think we should take Leo to the doctor.
Yes, let's go.
We'll be at the doctor's office soon.
Everything will be okay.
I hope so.
I'm coming too.
How you're well?
No.
Reese using about when you're light you. How are you feeling now, Leo?
My leg still hurts.
We'll be at the doctor's office in a few minutes.
I hope you'll feel better soon.
We're here. The doctor will help you.
I hope so.
Hello, Leo. I'm Dr. Emily. Dr. Emily. Can you show me your right leg?
Yes.
Let me take a closer look. I see. Good news, Leo. It's only a mosquito bite. Your skin had a stronger reaction than usual.
So, I'll be okay?
Yes, you'll feel much better very soon. Sometimes a mosquito bite can become very red. But don't worry, with this cream and a little rest, your skin will feel much better.
Thank you, doctor.
You're very welcome.
Feeling better already?
Yes! I feel much better. I knew you would.
Let's go home.
Remember, every problem has a solution.
Stay calm, ask for help, and never be afraid to tell your family how you feel.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in our next story. Bye, everyone!